Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today in this video I'm going to tell you some websites that gonna help you to learn programming while you can play a game and you can also learn to program. So don't waste your time and let's begin. Okay, so those all website I'm also going to give in description, so you can open those links from the description below. So let's start by the first website that we have is CodeCombat. So CodeCombat is an interactive platform that allows you to learn programming by playing a game. You write code to control your in-game character, solving puzzles and challenges in various programming languages such as Python and JavaScript. So you can log in or sign up in here, and then you can start by, if you are a educator, you can start by I'm a educator, I'm a parent, I'm a student. So you can start from those links, and you can also watch this video for the that how you gonna do in this website. So the second website that we have is HackerRank. While HackerRank is not exclusively a gaming website, it offers a variety of coding challenges and competitions that can be gamified. It covers a wide range of topics and programming languages, allows you to practice and improve your coding skill. So in here also you can sign up or request a demo. We help companies develop the strongest tech teams around. We help candidates sharpen their tech skill and pursue job opportunities. So this website you have to must to join, that it will gonna help you in your future. So the third website website we have is CodeWars. CodeWars provides coding challenges called kata, where can also solve problems and train on different programming paradigms. You can choose challenges based on your skill level, and after solving them you can review and discuss solutions with other developers. So in this website you can also talk with other developers. If you can't solve this problem or you are having some problem, you can ask some help with the other developers. So in here also you have to log in or join if you are new. So the fourth gaming website that we have is CheckiO. So CheckiO gamifies coding by turning it into a game where you solve programming using Python or JavaScript. The challenges are presented as missions, and you can see how others have solved the same problems. It's a great way to learn and improve your coding skill in a collaborative environment. In here you can TypeScript, Python. So this website is actually for Python, learning for Python and JavaScript. So you can also join this website by clicking on those link buttons. So the last and fifth gaming website that we have is CodingGame. So CodingGame combines coding challenges with multiplayer games. You can solve problems in various programming languages while competing against other players. The platform covers a wide range of difficulty levels, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced developer. So in here you can also like make a program with the other player. So you have to you got like a competition with the other player, and you have to make the code as faster as you can before the other player. So in here you have to log in and start playing. Discover why. In here there is 3 million plus developers who love CodingGame. So you can also get the review from here, like this they have to do to pass that. So in here you have to write the code to win that game. In here there is so many languages that you can learn from this gaming website. Yes guys, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe also. So thank you, that's all from me for this video. Meet you, this is Moise, and meet you in the next video.